I hope that you all must have heard about the snake water and gun game, which we all used to play in our childhood. We also used to play rock, paper, and scissor game when we were children. Okay. So basically, what happens is a person try to make snake water or gun with help of their hand. Okay, it's with of hand. Okay, gun kill the snake drinks of water, and water destroy the gun. Okay, and now I will be okay. So the player randomly he gets point based on this. Okay, so in this video I am going to give you a challenge. Okay, and let's see who has the point to do it. Let's go to the computer screen and let's see the problem statement. And okay, and then we see who will solve it the best way possible. Okay, it in the best way possible. So now let's get started. So now in this class I will give you one exercise, and this is small video. But now in this exercise it will be a exercise 5 and snake water gun. It is an exercise, and snake water and gun is variation of children's game. Okay, rock paper scissors. We will use hand gestures to represent the snake water or a gun. The gun beats the snake, the water beats the gun. Okay, and the snake beats the water. Write a Python program to create a snake water gun game in Python and using if else statement. Okay. Do not create any fancy guide. Do use proper functions to check for win. Okay, so I will tell you rules and I will tell you one more time rules. Okay, because some people will mistake it. So now I will give you one time, or I will tell you the rules again.
Skip to content, replace icon. Control date 1256/55 day 55.
Sorry.
Exit.
Snake water gun game. I will be clicking.
Snake, water, and gun is a variation of the children's game rock, paper, scissors, where players use hand gestures to represent a snake, water, or a gun.
Okay.
The gun beats the snake, the water beats the gun, and the snake beats the water. Write a Python program to create a snake water gun game in Python using if-else statements. Do not.
Oh, sorry.
Snake, water, and
It is
gun.
okay. I hope you will do. Do not create any fancy. Okay. Do not fancy. Okay. So now in this class I will be only telling you what is your exercise 5. Only I will be telling you. That's why this video is small. But if you will not access my playlist. Go to my channel, search code with PK, and click here. Please subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. So I will be upload any video, your notification will be come. And go to the playlist and click to this playlist and go to this playlist. And when you will go to this playlist, so please bookmark this playlist and access this playlist, because when I will be upload any videos, I will be upload on this playlist. Okay. And if you not follow me on my Facebook page, go and follow me, because I will be upload any video, and I will be upload any video, so I will be give you I will be upload any video, so I will be updated there. I will be upload video. Go and see it just now, and I will give you link into my Facebook page also. Okay, so I hope you will be, and you will not follow me on my Twitter. Go and go. You will not follow me on my Instagram. Go and follow me. This all social media links into my description. Okay, and I hope you will be know. And I will tell you one more thing else what you can do. Your surprise is coming also. And okay, so and go to my GitHub and follow me also on there, because I will be I will be build any big project, so I will be uploaded there. So now I will be in the next class, and next very amazing day. So for today, goodbye.